Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all. Today we will continue with Chapter 6, Part 2, Developing New Products and Managing the Product Life Cycle. These are the learning objectives. At the end of this class, you will know how to explain how companies find and develop new product ideas, list and define the steps in the new product development process and the major considerations in managing this process. Describe the stages of the product life cycle and how marketing strategies change during a product's life cycle. The third stage is very important. And finally, you will know how to discuss two additional product issues. The first one is socially responsible product decisions, and the second one is international product and services marketing. Okay, now let's go to learning objective number 1. Explain how companies find and develop new product ideas. A firm can obtain new products in two ways. It is either through acquisition or through new product development. In this chapter, we concentrate on new product development. New product development refers to original products, product improvements, product modifications, and new brands developed from the firm's own research and development or R&D. New products are important to both customers and marketers who serve them. They bring new solutions and variety to customers' lives, and they are a key source of growth for companies. In today's fast-changing environment, many companies rely on new products for the majority of their growth. Okay, now LO number 2. List and define the steps in the new product development process and the major considerations in managing this process. A company must carry out strong new product planning and set up a systematic, customer-driven new product development process for finding and growing new products. Figure 9.1 shows 8 major steps in the process. Product ideas. New product development starts with good new product ideas, lots of them. For example, Cisco's iPrice crowdsourcing challenge attracted 824 ideas from 2,900 innovators representing more than 156 countries. Do you know Cisco? Cisco Systems Incorporated is an American multinational technology conglomerate headquartered in San Jose, California, in the center of Silicon Valley. Cisco develops, manufactures, and sells networking hardware, software, telecommunications equipment, and other high-technology services and products. Through its numerous acquired subsidiaries such as OpenDNS, Webex, Jabber, and Jasper, Cisco specializes in specific tech markets such as the IoT or Internet of Things, domain security, and energy management. Idea generation is the first step in the new product development process. Sources of new product ideas may come from internal or external. Using internal sources, the company can find new ideas through formal R&D. However, only 33% of companies surveyed rated traditional R&D as a leading source of innovation ideas. Thus, beyond its internal R&D process, a company can pick the brains of its own people. It's either their executives, salesperson, scientists, engineers, and manufacturing staff. Many companies have developed successful internal social networks and entrepreneurial programs that encourage employees to develop new product ideas. Through external idea sources, distributors are close to the market and can pass along information about consumer problems and new product possibilities. Suppliers can tell the company about the new concepts, techniques, and materials that can be used to develop new products. Competitors are another important source. Companies watch competitors' ads to get clues about their new products. They buy competing new products, take them apart to see how they work, analyze their sales, and decide whether they should bring out a new product of their own. Other idea sources include trade magazines, shows, websites, and seminars, government agencies, advertising agencies, marketing research firms, university and commercial laboratories, and even investors. Perhaps the most important sources of new product ideas are customers themselves. The company can analyze customer questions and complaints to find new products that better solve customer problems. Or it can invite customers to share suggestions and ideas. Idea generation also involves crowdsourcing. Crowdsourcing involves inviting broad communities of people. They are customers, employees, independent scientists and researchers, and even the public at large into the new product innovation process. You still remember Cisco's just now? That is what Cisco's doing. Okay, now we go to the second stage of the new product development process, that is idea screening. The purpose of idea generation is to create a large number of ideas. The purpose of the succeeding stages is to reduce that number. The first idea reducing stage is idea screening. Product development costs rise greatly in later stages, so the company wants to pursue only those product ideas that will turn into profitable products. Here, the company should be able to answer yes to all three RWW screening framework. The first R is it real? The second W is, can we win? And another W is it worth doing? So the company should be able to answer yes to all these threes. The third step in new product development process is concept development and testing. It involves product idea, product concept, and product image. The slide shows Tesla's initial all-electric Roadster. Later, more affordable mass-market models being developed will travel more than 300 miles on a single charge, recharge in 45 minutes from a normal 120-volt electrical outlet, and cost about 1 penny per mile to power. The fourth stage in new product development process is marketing strategy development. The marketing strategy statement consists of three parts. The first part describes the target market, the planned value proposition, and the sales, market share, and profit goals for the first few years. The second part of the marketing strategy statement outlines the product's plan, price, distribution, and marketing budget for the first year. The third part of the marketing strategy statement describes the planned long-run sales, profit goals, and marketing mix strategy. The fifth stage is business analysis. Business analysis is a review of the sales, cost, and profit projections for a new product to find out whether these factors satisfy the company's objectives. And the sixth stage in the new product development process is product development. Product testing. For many new product concepts, a product may exist only a word description, a drawing, or perhaps a crude mock-up. If the product concept passes the business test, it moves into product development. Here, R&D or engineering develops the product concept into a physical product. The product development step, however, now calls for a huge jump in investment. It will show whether the product idea can be turned into a workable product. Often, products undergo rigorous tests to make sure that they perform safely and effectively, or that customers will find value in them. Therefore, this process is very important. The seventh step is test marketing. Test marketing is the stage of new product development in which the product and its proposed marketing program are tested in realistic market settings. Companies sometimes shorten or skip test marketing to take advantage of fast-changing market developments. The amount of test marketing needed varies with each new product. When introducing a new product requires a big investment, when the risks are high, or when management is not sure of the product or its marketing program, a company may do a lot of test marketing. The final stage in new product development process is commercialization. Commercialization involves introducing a new product into the market. Here, the company must know when to launch, that is the timing, where to launch the new product, and even the companies with international distribution systems may introduce new products through swift global rollouts. For example, years ago, Microsoft launched its Windows 8 operating system with a massive 1 billion global marketing campaign spanning 42 countries.